SeaVenture experience at Discovery Cove. Experience unique up-close encounters with sea life during the SeaVenture experience at Discovery Cove. Discovery Cove Orlando is an all-inclusive day resort tucked into the heart of Orlando. So much is included in your Discovery Cove day, including up-close animal experiences, unlimited food and drinks, including beer and wine, and totally relaxing swimming and lounging opportunities everywhere you look. The resort itself will transport you to a tropical paradise, complete with white sand beaches and glimmering waterfalls. Discovery Cove also offers some enhancements to your day at an additional cost. And one of our favorites is the SeaVenture experience. Follow us as we go on this under-the-sea adventure. Available for ages 10 and up, this underwater walking tour uses helmets to explore the water in a whole new light. Spend 20 to 25 minutes underwater with an oxygen helmet that will make adventuring underwater practically as easy as taking a stroll on land. Guided by an animal expert that will give you fun facts along the way, you'll have an opportunity to touch sea life and be surrounded by schools of gorgeous fish, rays, and sharks. Are you ready for a SeaVenture at Discovery Cove? Save on Discovery Cove packages at Undercover Tourist and select your date. What questions do you have about this experience? Let us know in the comments below. Get the exact same theme park tickets for less, no catch, at Undercover Tourist.